All right, what's up everybody? Good morning. It is 6:52 in the morning. We are down here at Memorial Park in Houston, Texas, getting ready to take down a specific tree. Got a call from Ashton from Tree Solutions. We're taking down a tall, dead loblolly pine tree. And so he's gonna climb it today. It's about 75 feet. So we're gonna get some shots today of him as he climbs and some shots around the city so that he can use for social media and archival historical purposes. Okay, so this is the tree. We are at the site. Just talked to Ashton. I don't know anything about trees, but it looks dead to me. Okay, sun is coming up. Just amazing shots of the city. I want to keep droning, but I've got 3 batteries. I've got to conserve. Ashton's got his gear set up. It's beginning the approach. It's very technical. Had this like grappling hook thing he shot into the tree. It was so sick.